Who is the better kisser? No lying. No.
Me.
So all the ones I've not improved all these years. I think I will need to enroll in your school of kissing, Kissology 101. When the children were quite young, I took that challenge. I'm going to be there for them.
All I did was just carry them. From the moment they were born, you were there, to cleaning them, to bathing them. I don't think I know how to bathe a newborn baby. I really do appreciate you. I told your daughter that when she starts having children, that you will go for a mugu.
I'm still the one I learned to. The only one
No autograph, no autograph, no autograph. You came to me and said, I am going to marry you. You are my wife. I was like, from where to where now? You are not my spec. Does it mean that they don't come in top packages anymore?
Who snores louder?
Come why you got this kind of question there?
Love this scent like caterers. I love you,
Die.